Last time we told you, Uganda, you should not copy and paste. But you don't listen.
They don't
you
listen.
want to go to the life of Gen Zs. The Kenyans, the Gen Zs. Little knowing.
Guys, do you know the generation you are in?
They don't know. Ugandans.
Ugandans, you are still at letter M.
Letter M, which means?
Movement. Means maturity. Means
what? Military. 333.
And now you're there with your little brains jumping to letter Z.
To letter Z. You
letter
need
Z
all the letters.
in alphabet. It is the last letter, which means the last generation. For you are still in generation M. Where you're
generation M3, M3. How do you call it? This they say M squared, M third.
I don't know. Whatever you tell us in the comment section. But guys, you have tamped a wrong generation and jumping your own letter.
Letter Z, which means zigzag.
Oh,
zip your mouth.
A time for zipping the mouth after alarming like this, you zip it forever.
And it is the last generation. For us, we are still in the middle. Why are you rushing us?
That's why even Kenyans, they told us that Ugandans, don't compare yourself with us. For us, we are too far. For sure, is it true? We agree with the Kenyans that for us, we have not yet reached the letter zigzag. Where the life surrenders and said that enough is enough. I'm ready to die. I'm ready for anything because after all, I'm useless. After all, what does the country want from me? Whatever they will do now, I'm ready. So now for you are still in letter M, where you're supposed to mature. The brain is supposed to mature.
You're supposed to move.
You're supposed to move to a certain level of development.
So if you try to bring the zigzag, the military is there. So
they hope you to take you back to the letter M and show you that you're still in the letter movement generation. So why don't you enjoy your generation? Why are you copying and pasting the letter which is not yours?
First of all, you're bringing corruption. For us, we believe. For me, I believe everyone is corrupt.
Even as you're seeing us here, we are corrupt.
Before you go on the street, start from your mother, start from your dad, start from yourself. Then you go on the street. You're rushing to the parliament. Anita must go. Are you an MP?
Another thing, you voted for MPs. Who voted for her to be there? Why did you jump your MPs and you're climbing in the biggest office in the country? Moreover, the parliament of the country.
That you're copying the Kenyans.
Do you know who you are? Do you understand who you are before you jump?
You want to spoil whose business? Guys, let's love one another.
But now,
let's advocate for
you are talking about that they want to spoil whose business. What do they have? For them, they have nothing. These guys, they have nothing to lose.
The ones who are demonstrating.
They're immature. Instead of taking the letter M for maturity, they're taking it for immaturity. Immaturity. Where the brain is not growing to do developmental things. They're going for letter I. For what? Let's start with the first letter before So that's
we have passed immaturity. We have got to the level
back.
Why?
Taking us back to letter I for immaturity.
We don't want
you're bringing it to movement for maturity. What's wrong with you guys?
Guys, remember, for us, we are not politicians. Get annoyed with us at your own risk. For us, we just want to have fun and educate people in a funny way. Don't look for us. We are not politicians. We are aunties. We are analysts. We are comedians. We are everything.
We love fun. And what you're doing, guys, what you're doing, if you don't listen to your elders, your elder told people that if you try to joke, copying and pasting, you're touching into fire. And for us, we are mothers. When we tell our children that please don't play with this fire, it will burn your
Randy
hands.
has told you, when you try touching the fire, it will burn you.
And now, for sure, stubbornly Africans, you have shown us that you are too stubborn. And your brains are on the bam, whereby you're supposed to first get the stick from military. How can you accept to be beaten at old age? Because you are too stubborn.
And they will take you in that caravan. Is it a caravan?
They carry you like there's rubbish.
And no one will look at you. No one will look for you.
And even the ones who are pushing you that are saying they are not Jesus.
They will be in the house watching you.
And they watch you from the corners.
From the corners.
If it means entering under the bed with their phones, they will be watching to see. How is this food being carried?
Please, you guys, love yourself.
And after when you're taken, they come out. Walalala, they've taken in.
Just there.
They will be there
on the camera.
But they are behind.
They will never pass. They will never come in front of the camera. They will be behind the camera. Oh la la. Up for you over there. You don't know. You don't know your future. Either you leave that place, the cell, or not. Think about the people who love you. Think about your kids. Think about your parents before you go on the street. Then we can try to talk to our leaders in a different way. Go to your MPs. They have offices. Tell them we don't want what is happening in the parliament. Those people who are demonstrating, they have never even watched parliament. They have never watched.
For sure, I saw the heads which are demonstrating.
I asked myself.
The dressing code, the way they talk. Do you know others even have decided they are tying themselves like Arabs? Uganda, is it an Arab country?
Don't reach there. Those people are respected. Don't reach there. Miriam,
no, they were tying themselves. They were tying themselves. So now you see, now this one the Arabs, this one the what?
Miriam,
guys,
don't reach the
help
Arabs.
us.
Arabs, leave them alone.
No, I still have. It is Ugandans copying and pasting. Why are you copying what you are not?
People who put on this one, they are respected. We have kids. We have kids. We have kids.
We respect them so much. But for sure, I saw the picture of guys. 6 guys. You are holding yourselves like this with the manila paper.
And you go down.
Even why? Why are you holding yourselves?
And why are you going down?
Why don't you move alone one?
We want to see the letters. Please don't sit.
They sit down. These people, they will just bump themselves down like a ball which is being banged down. Then they carry them like rubbish to the kabangali.
Guys, we told you, for us Uganda, we have pure tear gas. We have pure military officers. We have pure, everything is pure. It's not duplicate, it's original. Everything is original.
And
so
our security is of a high class.
It's of a high class.
You don't try nonsense.
Don't try, please. For me, when I woke up in the morning, I found the whole place is covered with the security guys. I was like, what is happening? What is happening? So in Kenya, it doesn't happen like that. They will come with their donkeys moving all over the street.
They just move around and they look at you doing all your nonsense.
Here it doesn't happen.
And for me, that's why I love our security. Our security officers, may God continue blessing you and protecting you. We have guys who are useless. They have nothing to lose. That's why they are coming to disorganize. Because if I have a business, I have something to do. I will be concentrating on my development. I will not have time. I will look at the time wasted when I'm alarming. This one is
when I will
like
not
this.
Be helped.
This one is like this. Now I receive canes everywhere. Canes will pass through the hair. Will pass where and wherever the stick lands, you will get a command there.
Who will know you?
No one will know you. Please, and by the time you're carried to be put on the kabangali, you will understand from there. So guys, let us keep peace. When the government is telling you that let us keep peace, please guys, you understand.
Remember guys, life has no spare parts. Try at your own risk. Let's look for a way of working with whatever the government is bringing. And whether you like or you don't like, let's try it in the names of bringing peace.
And where the economy has reached now, it is not an economy for doing nonsense. Let us develop.
Let us work.
As the government is helping you to develop, you the lowest person, please utilize that time. Because life, you can never live for long. Life is too short. You'll be there that you're thinking that the disease will come and take you. You can even sleep and just go. Hey. So before that time reaches, because no one knows the real day you're going. So plan when you're still alive. Don't plan with nonsense and you die, you make us bury you when we don't know where to bury you. Have nothing, you have a lot of children every corner, you don't take care of them, you die a cursed person. Hey. So it's not good. Guys, let us be peaceful and let us work.
Remember, we have told you, we are not politicians. We are not politicians. We are concerned mothers. Please, guys, stay safe. Life has no spare part. We have told you. Demonstrate at your own risk.